सोमारा पर्यावरण मंत्री आलेक्स सिक्वेरा हाणें दवर्ली आनी नावेली पंचायतीक भेट दिवन लोकांच्यो समस्या जाणून घेतल्यो। वीज आनी सिवेजीचो प्रश्न बेगीनूच सुटावो करपाचो यत्न करतले अशें मंत्री आलेक्सान सांगलें। पंचायत चलो अभियान कार्यावळीक आपल्याक आफोंग ना म्हणून कागाळ करपी वेंझीक आलेक्सान जाप दिली। आपल्या ऑफिसांतल्यान ताका फोन केल्लो, त्याच बरोबर ताका व्हॉट्सॅपाचेरूय मेसेज धाडिल्ली। तांणी ती वाचली आनी तो वोग्गी रावलो। आतां तो येवंक ना जाल्यार आपणें कितें करप अशें आलेक्स म्हणटा।
This is a lie. And I'm again repeating, this is a lie. Why do I say it is a lie? My office phoned him. He did not pick up the call. Thereafter, my office, I sent him a WhatsApp message. And we have got 2 ticks. What is the meaning of the 2 ticks? That means my colleague, Mr. Wenzi Diegas, has read the message. तोरी आसना तो येना जाल्यार हांवें कितें करपाची? तुजे भाशेन कितें हांवें वचून पांय पडपाची, बाबा फाल्यां यो म्हणून? There are 2 ticks. I have not sent. My office has sent. For example, आज मुझे बराबर आमदार बोसुना ताका मेसेज घायलें, तो आज आयलो, तो येना जाल्यार बरें, I am taking advantage of all of you all today. I am visiting Veli constituency tomorrow. 10:30 in the morning I am at Shinchini Panchayat. 12 o'clock I am at Veli Panchayat. Through your media I am requesting my friend Cruz Silva, MLA of Veli constituency, to please come. Last Samatuka, so much Today I make a commitment that I will visit these 4 constituencies after Lok Sabha election again. I will visit. It's my promise. Because you should not think it is a gimmick for election, that is why we are going around Panchayat. I will visit these 4 constituencies again after Lok Sabha election.